can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Polkadot. Polkadot is down 3.8% for the last 1 week, is down 3.5% over the last 1 month. But vibes in the cryptocurrency market is down. Sentiment has gone towards fear. There's fear right now in the market with altcoins having a little dump. Are we going to see altcoin season? Was that it? Is altcoin season over? How low will all these altcoins dump? In this video, we'll look at Polkadot's performance against the US dollar on a weekly time frame. There's chaos in the market, but we're still holding support, which means there's still hope for us to pump to the moon, which means altcoin season is still around the corner. Remember guys, we're playing a game against other market participants. We're trying to buy as low as possible. We're trying to sell as high as possible. We look at Polkadot's performance against the US dollar. We look at Polkadot's performance against Ethereum. Also look at Polkadot's market cap, which sits around the $6.5 billion level. We have not set new lows. Should we be accumulating more? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Over the last 1 week, we saw huge dump in the altcoin market. And over the last 1 week, we've seen a lot of altcoins have crazy volatility, huge pumps to the moon. And then with Bitcoin just sneezing, a lot of these altcoins gave up most of those gains. Polkadot market cap sits at $6.5 billion. We saw the all-time high coming in on the 4th of November 2021. Polkadot was trading for as high as $55. Right now it's down 92% from its all-time highs. What's the fuse about Polkadot? Polkadot is an open source sharded multichain protocol that connects and secures a network of specialized blockchain, facilitating cross-chain transfer of any data or asset types, not just token, thereby allowing blockchains to be interoperable with each other. If you look at Polkadot's performance against the US dollar on a weekly time frame, yes, we've had huge pumps to the moon in the past, but this cycle has been very underwhelming. A lot of market participants are still used to that 2021 style pump, 2017 style pump, where these altcoins go parabolic crazily. And yes, I'll still expect altcoins to go parabolic. But guys, remember, just like Bitcoin, I'm expecting crazy pumps like 2021. In 2021, we saw Bitcoin going up more than 2,000%. And with all the fanfare in 2025, Bitcoin is just up around 600%. So don't expect to see come crazy pumps we saw in the last cycle. For Polkadot, that was a 1,800% pump to the moon. Since then, we've seen Polkadot dump to Goblin Town. We've seen Polkadot find its bottom in its bear market after losing around 93% of its value. The altcoin market is one of the most volatile markets in the world. These altcoins can easily shoot to the moon, but then when they dump to Goblin Town, that's when they present us with nice opportunities to accumulate at cheap prices. If you buy when there's fear, guys, you can sell when there's greed. You're basically playing a game in the market against other market participants, buying as low as possible so that you can sell as high as possible. And right now, we're one of those periods in time when the market vibes is down. It feels like we're down to Goblin Town, we're down to zero, but we're still trading higher than when we were trading in June of 2025. Even though Polkadot is just up at 2% from that bottom where we set in June, it's still something to write home about. The final pump is coming, and before the final pump, that's when market participants lose hope. If you look at what happened to Polkadot in December of 2020, that was when a lot of market participants believe, you know what, nothing's going to be happening, and this time is different. We're not going to see a pump to the moon, and boom, we saw actually a pump to the moon. That pump lasted for around 150 days. Polkadot rallied up by around 900%. Right now, I'm not expecting Polkadot to give us a 900% pump to the moon. There's going to be resistance along the way, but I'm still strong in my belief, thinking we'll see Polkadot rally at least towards the $11 level. That's a 200% pump to the upside. The most important target to watch out for will be that $23 region. Polkadot has not traded there since March of 2022. That's a 500% pump from where we're currently trading. And historically, the market always ends with us pumping to the moon. Even though we might not get to all-time highs, the market ends with market participants singing Kumbaya, thinking, you know what, this time is different, we're all going to the moon. But history has shown over time that this time is not different. We don't end the market cycle with us dumping to Goblin Town. We end with market participants being euphoric. So right now, I'll be paying close attention to the $11 level, and for rally past it, most importantly the $23 region, because I'm sure that's where a lot of market participants will be selling for some sweet profit. You want to get some Polkadot tokens for yourself, guys, you can get some tokens on Binance, on Bybit, on Coinbase Exchange, on Orbit, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Polkadot tokens right there. If you look at sentiment in the cryptocurrency market, the vibes are down. We're back to fear, which is very, very good if you're accumulating, which is very, very awesome if you want to buy these altcoins for cheap. But remember, in the grand scheme of things, guys, Bitcoin is still near all-time highs. Ethereum is above $4,000. And a lot of altcoins are doing very, very well. If you buy when there's fear, you can sell when there's greed. If you buy when there's fear in the cryptocurrency market, when euphoric greed returns, that's when you sell for some sweet profit. If you look at Polkadot's performance against Ethereum, it has been dumping to Goblin Town. The last few weeks saw some signs of life return. We saw Polkadot gaining like 20 to 30% of its value against Ethereum. But guys, I don't think that's the last pump we're going to see in the altcoin market. I don't think Polkadot is done. I believe we're going to see it having the exit pump. The exit pump always happens because smart whales that have bought Bitcoin, they have bought Ethereum, they have made huge gains. They are going to use those huge gains into the altcoin market to get an exit pump. The exit pump can see us pumping 200 to 500% from where we're currently trading. But remember, guys, the higher we go, the dangerous it becomes. The higher we go, the more you want to sell for some sweet profit. This time it's not different. The crowd will always be wrong at the extreme. When you buy when the vibes are down, you'll be able to sell when the vibes are up. If you look at Polkadot's market cap, with all the chaos in the market, with all the pandemonium, it's still trading a market cap of over $6.5 billion. We've seen the market cap even drop to as low as $4.4 billion. But key levels to watch out for will be the $16 billion region where we got to in December of 2024. If we rally past that, the $23 billion level might be very tricky. We saw Polkadot getting rejected there in March of 2022 from where we're currently trading. For Polkadot to head back to that region, we need to see a 268% pump to the upside. If not, Polkadot continues trying to rise to new all-time highs. At $33 billion market cap valuation, Polkadot will need to rally up 400% from where we're currently trading. And for heading for the previous all-time highs, we'll need to see a 700% pump to the upside. Crazy things happen in the altcoin market. Crazy things happen when we get to altcoin season. We just left altcoin season 2 days ago. Was that the end? Is that all altcoin season? I don't believe so, guys. I believe we're still going to see us enter the altcoin season region. It's 75% of the top 50 coins do better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period. That is altcoin season. And a lot of altcoins have been outperforming Bitcoin over the last 90 days. The next 2 weeks, I'll expect to see more altcoins outperforming Bitcoin. I'll expect to see the altcoin season index head back towards altcoin season. And Bitcoin dominance should be dumping. Should expect to see Bitcoin dominance get back to that 50% region. That's my target for Bitcoin dominance. Historically, Bitcoin dominance dumping has led to good times in the altcoin market, has led to a lot of altcoins having parabolic blow-off tops. I don't think this time is different. Guys, drop it out in the comment section. Polkadot currently trades around $4. Are you accumulating more? How low do you think we'll continue dumping before accumulation is done? And when we start pumping to the moon, when will you be selling for some sweet profit? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.